Imagine this. You wake up every day with energy that lasts, a clear mind, and a sense of calm focus. No more dragging yourself out of bed, no more endless cups of coffee just to stay awake. What if I told you that by changing your morning routine, you could literally rewire your body and mind? In this video, I'll take you step by step through a powerful science-backed morning routine that doesn't just set the tone for your day, it rewires the way your body functions and reshapes how your brain thinks. Most of us start our mornings on autopilot. Hit snooze, scroll the phone, grab a rushed breakfast, or skip it completely. Then we wonder why the rest of the day feels like a fight against stress, fatigue, and distraction. The truth is, your morning is the most powerful window of your entire day. The habits you stack in those first 60 to 90 minutes create chemical changes in your brain and biological changes in your body that ripple through the next 12 hours. Today, I'll walk you through a morning routine designed to rewire your body and mind. This isn't about doing 20 random healthy things. It's about doing the right things in the right order so they stick. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design mornings that give you energy, focus, and emotional resilience. The first step is how you wake up. Most people hit snooze, which might feel harmless, but it actually confuses your body. Here's why. When you fall back asleep, you re-enter a sleep cycle that your body can't finish. That makes you feel groggy, foggy, and unfocused for hours. Instead, set your alarm for the exact time you plan to wake up. And when it rings, get up. Place your alarm across the room so you have to physically move. This single act of discipline signals to your brain that you're in control of the day, not drifting through it. Think of it like this. Hitting snooze is practicing avoidance. Getting up on time is practicing action. The first choice you make in the morning sets the tone for every choice that follows. Most of us grab our phones the second we open our eyes, but your body doesn't run on notifications, it runs on light. Your brain has a built-in clock called the circadian rhythm, and it resets every morning when light enters your eyes. Within 10 minutes of waking up, expose yourself to natural light. Open the blinds, step outside. If it's dark where you live, use a bright lamp or light therapy box. This isn't just about feeling awake. Morning light lowers melatonin, the sleep hormone, and boosts cortisol in healthy levels, which gives you energy and mental clarity. Compare that to scrolling your phone in bed. Blue light plus endless stimulation tricks your brain into stress mode before you've even had breakfast. If you want to rewire your body and mind, light comes before screens. Your body loses water every night while you sleep. By the time you wake up, you're slightly dehydrated. And here's the thing. Even mild dehydration affects your memory, your energy, and your mood. So before reaching for coffee, drink a full glass of water. Bonus points if you add a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. This combination replenishes electrolytes, wakes up your digestion, and sends a signal to your body that it's time to start the day. Coffee isn't bad, but coffee on an empty, dehydrated stomach can spike stress hormones and leave you jittery. Water first, coffee second. That's how you rewire your mornings for energy, not anxiety. You don't need a 90-minute gym session at 6 a.m. to get the benefits of movement. In fact, research shows that just 5 to 10 minutes of light activity in the morning could have massive effects on your brain and body. Here's why. Movement increases blood flow, wakes up your lymphatic system, and releases endorphins, your natural feel-good chemicals. It also raises your body temperature, which helps your brain shift out of sleep mode and into focus mode. Examples? A short walk outside, a 7-minute bodyweight circuit, stretching or yoga with deep breaths. The point isn't intensity, the point is consistency. Moving your body early rewires your brain to associate mornings with energy, not sluggishness. Most of us wake up with racing thoughts, emails, deadlines, errands. Before you know it, you're stressed before breakfast. But here's the secret. Your morning routine is the best time to rewire your mental state. Spend 5 to 10 minutes on breathwork or meditation. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even a simple technique like box breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4,
calms your nervous system, and lowers cortisol. Meditation builds mental resilience. Think of it like strength training for your brain. The more you practice, the less reactive you become to stress. This one habit rewires your emotional system so you can carry calmness through the rest of your day.
Breakfast is one of the most debated topics in health. Some people skip it, some load up on sugar. But the real key is this. Whatever you eat, it should support focus and stable energy. That means protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think eggs and avocado, Greek yogurt with berries, oatmeal with nuts.
What you don't want is starting your day with only sugar, like cereal, pastries, or flavored coffee drinks. Those spike your blood sugar, then crash it, leaving you tired and cranky. A conscious breakfast doesn't just fuel your body. It trains your brain to expect stability instead of spikes and crashes. That's how you rewire your metabolism and your focus.
Here's something almost nobody does, but everyone should. Put your thoughts on paper before you dive into the digital world. Take 5 minutes to journal, write 3 things you're grateful for, jot down your top priorities for the day, or simply brain dump everything on your mind. Why does this matter? Because writing clears mental clutter. It creates focus, and gratitude journaling has been shown to literally rewire the brain's reward pathways, making you more positive and resilient over time. Think of it as updating your mind's software before running the day's programs. Most people overload their to-do list with 20 different goals, then feel like a failure when they don't finish them all. Instead, set a single intention for the day. Ask yourself, if I only accomplish one thing today, what will make me feel fulfilled? Write it down. Commit to it. This doesn't mean ignoring your other responsibilities. It means rewiring your focus from busy to effective. When you train your brain to prioritize one meaningful task, you start winning your days. And winning days rewires your life. Here's one of the most powerful yet overlooked rules. Don't start your day with emails, social media, or news. Why? Because those are other people's agendas. The second you let them in, you lose control of your focus. Give yourself at least the first 60 minutes of your morning free from digital noise. Focus on your routine, your priorities, and your intentions first. Once you've wired your brain for focus and clarity, then you can open the floodgates. Remember, mornings are about creation, not reaction. Here's the final key. Doing this once won't change your life. Doing it daily will. Habits literally rewire your brain through a process called neuroplasticity, the ability of your brain to create new connections. Every time you repeat this routine, you strengthen the circuits of focus, calm, and energy. Over time, it becomes automatic, and that's when you stop trying to live healthy, you just are.
So let's recap. A morning routine that rewires your body and mind looks like this. Wake with intention. Get light before screens. Hydrate before coffee. Move your body. Calm your mind with breathwork or meditation. Eat a conscious breakfast. Journal before you scroll. Set a single intent. Delay the noise. Repeat daily. These steps aren't complicated, but together they reprogram your biology and psychology.
Imagine stacking hundreds of days like this. The energy, focus, and peace you'll create. If this video helped you, hit that like button so more people can see it. Share it with a friend who struggles with mornings, and subscribe for more science-backed ways to upgrade your body and mind. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's one morning habit you're going to add starting tomorrow? Drop it in the comments. I'll be reading them.